it can still be the general purpose, general cargo, but it should be ventilated. We call it the ventilated container. Those ones at the top here, we have windows that air will be circulating. So if you are handling yam export, the type of container they come and put down for you to fill, watch it closely. There are windows around the four tops and the corners that air goes in and out to ventilate it. Okay? Yes. Ventilated general purpose container. Ventilated. Air should be circulating. That is all. Good. So somebody was concerned, the cargo can be higher. So this open top. So the cargo is protruding. So these containers are constructed. The top is not sealed. So when they load the cargo over high, then they protect the cargo with tarpaulin. And these tarpaulins are good business for the port workers. By the time they remove the tarpaulin down, if you are not smart, it will get vanished. And if you want to see it, you go to timber market in Tema, you see those tarpaulins there. You go and buy it, they will sell one for you for 1,000 cedis. So open top. So as we said, especially for overheight cargo, okay? Good. Your reefer. So electrically operated, heating or cooling. Good. For all temperature controlled cargo. Okay. Any temperature controlled cargo goes into fruits, things, frozen fish, and those aquatic food that we have been eating. That's the reefer. And also it's a special one because it has got a thermal part. The refrigerating unit makes it a bit heavier when it is empty already. So you cannot optimize more cargo into it like an equivalent 40 foot of this. But this, it has consumed some weight already. And why do you think, as we go along and as we have been observing, all containers are painted in any other color, but reefer containers are always white? Why? You see the containers, blue, chocolate green, they are there. And those, apart from reefer, none is painted white. Only reefer containers. Why white?
Sir,
yes.
Maybe because of the ice. White does not absorb.
You said?
White does not absorb.
Heat, finish, common physics. White does not absorb heat. They repel, heat throws on the white surface back to where it came from. Dark surfaces absorb heat and retain it, and it will go into the balls to distort the temperature. That's why if you are in an air conditioning car, the air conditioning is on, don't open the windows down. It will break down the air conditioning equipment. If you are in your office and the door is constantly being open, it does not take long, the air conditioner will break down. They should not be mixing and tolerating warm air. Yeah, that is it. So that's the reefer. And they stated it categorically. The reefer types, the 40 ones are always high cubed. They don't use the standard 41, the 8.5 height. They always use the 9.5. Another one, flat form, the flat one. It comes for heavy lift or oversized cargo, not for land transport. This means this sort of containers are used from port to port. If you want to use them, send your cargo to the port, fit it on it, they transport it by sea, it goes to the other end. If you collect your cargo, discharge it from it and say, don't use it on land transportation. What is the obvious reason? What is the obvious reason? Yes?
It can be stolen.
No. Or even the standard container, they are stealing them. They are stealing them. You know that. You load the truck By the time you say the truck has vanished with the whole container in the car. Who has experienced that here before? Not necessarily the company owner, but you are a worker in a certain company. They said, don't use it outside the pot. Why? Other containers you can set them outside the pot. Why the flat rack? Why? You see, because it's used for heavy, it's very, very heavy equipment, the base here is reinforced and thicker and heavier than the standard base of the other type of containers. So it is carrying an overweight already. Then the commodity is also extra heavy. So if you go to every country, in Ghana we are not respecting our acid load. So definitely if you put it on any standard truck, so the tail weight of the truck together with the total gross weight of this plant and equipment, it will be over and above the permissible acid load of that the road. So that is why they are the ports. We will visit, you see them down here. These are the frame, the base. They are thicker and very heavier than. Let's go back and see the normal one that you see. Watch the base, the thickness. They are thinner. You see this base?
Yes.
This is where what I'm explaining here, down here, where the forklift goes up. So let's see. It's about double the thickness. Is that not it?
Yes.
So that it is overweight already. So, but the equipments in the port that does the handling on and off are strong enough to tolerate them. Okay, so don't send it out of the port, and even nobody will allow you to send it out of the port. This and the other one, they perform the same function almost and the same, and usually for irregular shaped and oversized cargo. For instance, if you are transporting and you want to containerize excavators, you know these excavators, certain machineries come on this type of containers. Yes, you see, excavators are irregular in shape. They don't have any standard shape. Or you want to transport, you know, those very tall, huge trucks, the off trucks that works in the mining industry, and even caterpillar ties that if he's standing, they are taller than a human being. They use this type of.
Why not put those things in rural areas?
Which is rural? They put them direct in the rural. No, as for the excavators, at times people use them as their cargo. But what about the caterpillar ties? It's too huge. Certain type of generators, that we use this one for them. Has anybody seen this type in Ghana before? Open side, where the doors are open both at the end here and the sides, the doors can be open. It makes loading and offloading of certain type of cargoes very easy. Yes. Special container which is open at sides for cargo which should be loaded or unloaded from the side, e.g. paper rolls. You see the paper rolls, and these metal and steel coils we've been struggling to handle. Yes, because we have been making try and error, because ideally they should come in this type of containers open side. Okay, they are there, that we've not seen it in this part of the world yet. Some of us have seen it on our own, but not officially in Ghana port. You won't see it, it's not there.